What's going on, guys? Happy Sunday. I hope you guys have a great weekend. So today is going to be like a quick video about my watch list that I'm going to be looking out for Monday, tomorrow, actually, for this whole week, basically, we should say. So let's get straight to it. But first, actually, before we get straight to it, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. All right, and make sure you actually hit the like button, most important, so you can help me out with the algorithm. But anyways, let's get straight to it. You know me. Anyway, so the first stock I'm on the lookout for is CNMPX. And as you can see, we just switched the momentum and we have an inside and up candle. And which is what is the inside and up candle is basically the candle is greater than the previous candle, and usually that is a support, which we came down and we actually played around with it last week. So within this week, we're looking, because momentum is still below zero actually, so we're still looking to play around within around here until price is ready to take off, basically. And for those of you that just want a quick scalp, what kind of a scalp, or this is a swing trade, but like if you want like a quick hit, basically, you could say, you just take from here to here, which is like a quick 17% account gain, basically. But if you're looking for a full move, which would be a 40% account gain. So let's say, for example, if you're trading options, you buy 2 option contract, and then you take one off over here, and then you take the last one off over here. So that's usually my overall strategy when I do like these trades or whatever like that. So perfect. So this is a good buy zone. Ideally, I would want it to be between here, which would be like an extremely good discount. But this is still a good buy zone though. So expect this to play around for the next couple of weeks until momentum comes above zero, and then we're basically ready. Stock is ready to take off. RUM, we're looking at RUM. Same thing. If those of you know, this is a kind of like a bull flag. All right, so we're looking for a pullback at least near here, somewhere here, because this indicator, this weekly indicator actually will move. So like by Monday, we'll see this price probably either stay consistent like this, or it'll move up a little bit. So, but we're looking for a pullback down here. It's not a bad, well, it is a bad buy actually, because you would have like about 13% drawdown, and you have to be okay with that. So, but anyways, this is a little bit too early to buy, but it's still on my watch list for a buy. And what am I saying? Momentum is almost above zero. So, you know what I mean? These are good hits. So this is not a financial, I'm not a financial advisor, okay? So I don't want y'all to come down on me, but these are my watch lists. I'm helping you out with free trades. So REKR, usual inside and up candle. So this is basically a support right down here. Oh, let's go right here. So this is basically a support right down here. But as you can see, we're looking for another, like a pullback. Price just got above zero actually, which is basically a beautiful setup, and we're at the mean, so we're looking for a quick scalp. Let's say we bought from around here to here, 20 to 30% account gain. That's pretty good for those of you trading options. That's really good. And my next one is HNST. I do like this, but the momentum is the trend is kind of like a downwards trend. You know what I mean? Rather than a neutral trend. But I do like it. It's still on my watch list, though. Whoa, let's go back to actually that, by the way. And that is it is a good setup though. But you know what I mean? You can still enter here and then put your stop loss right under here, basically, if the price closes right under here. But yeah, it's still on my watch list. It's not something that I'm looking to buy right away, but it's still on my watch list. So depending on how it opens on Monday, if momentum actually shifts going up. But yeah, POET, like I said, beautiful setup, great entry. We did have a pullback last week on Friday. So it would have been a great buy actually, but I didn't see it. I didn't set an alert, so it was my fault basically. But still a good setup from here. Let's say you take 50% off and a full range, 30, 37, almost 40% account growth. And like, let's say you're not buying a 30-day. For me, I like to buy at least 30 to 60-day contracts, but mostly I aim for 60-day option contracts. And if you're buying stocks, yeah, still a good place to buy. I do like the setup. Momentum is neutral, so yeah, good setup, beautiful setup. I love it. This is a nice setup. Well, it's not. Well, it is a okay setup, but I would prefer for price to at least come back down here. But it's on my watch list, but it's not something that I would trade. And that's something that I'll tell you guys. If you guys are new traders, I'll tell you guys to stay away from this one right on. My recommendation. Well, my opinion, should I say. I'm not a financial advisor. Repeating it again. Okay, the next one is ACRS. Beautiful setup. Momentum is still going down, but it looks like it's starting to flatten a little bit. Beautiful setup. And it looks like an inside and up is trying to form right around here. It looks like it's trying to form. But we're holding a support right here. These are your buy zones. I mean, right here. But anyways, so we came buy zones around here and a potential 30%. That's really good. You didn't even have to hold it all the way up here, which would have been 40%. But quick hit, boom, 40% account growth. Repeat it again to another one and another one. Before you know it, you have an amazing account growth within 1 year, basically. But yeah, nice setup, but momentum is a little too steep. So I do like the setup, but it's not something I would recommend for you guys. My favorite that I'm looking to buy, as you guys already seen, I already have like a limit order set up for I already have a limit order set up for Monday, okay? This is a beautiful, beautiful setup, okay? So I already have like a one order place. So like as soon as the market open, we'll see if I get filled or anything like that. But it's within my favorite zone, okay? And then my stop loss is going to be right under here, basically. If price closes under here, that's going to be my stop loss. Now, how I'm going to play off this trade is, so I'm going to Monday, when Monday comes, I'm going to buy another contract. So I'll have about 2 contracts, 50%. I take one off. So I'd have 1 contract left. And then I'll take the full contract right up here. But if we have another pullback within the standard deviation, basically, as prices moving up, I'll re-enter again. Stay, let your winners run and cut your losers fast. That's all I'm saying. But this is my number one setup I'm looking for on Monday. Okay, I'm letting y'all know now. But as you can see, as I was saying, as you can see, actually, it's still going to chop a little bit because momentum is still below 0 though. But it depends on how strong the momentum is. Sometimes if the momentum is really strong while momentum is below 0, the price can easily take off. My next one, HUYA. It's a nice setup. It's an inside and up formation, as you guys can see. Let me see it right here. Let me erase that real quick. Okay, erase that a little quick. Inside and up formation. As you can see, price did pull back, which would have been a buy. Okay, inside and up formation, also known as fair value gaps for other people, if you guys know the ICC or whatever like that. But inside and up formation, we did have a pullback, and we're looking to aim up here. Would I say it's a buy right now? Yes, but expect, if you're going to buy right up here, expect for like a pretty significant drawdown. That's all I'm going to say. But it is a nice setup. Momentum above 0. Beautiful, beautiful setup. It's an A+ setup. Right here, again, we have an inside and up formation. Usually an inside and up formation, this is the buy zone right here. This is all a whole buy zone. Okay, so we had inside it up. We had pullback into the zone, the buy zone. And So if Monday comes, price chops here. Price is still going to chop because we're still below zero. So prepare, know that price is going to chop for the next couple of days or whatever until we're ready to take off, which would be a 30% account growth just from these one trades. Like these trades, I'm telling you, I know how to find these beautiful setups and trades, bro. Let's see. The next one is BB, beautiful setup. We're on an uptrend, as you guys can see. Ideally, I'll look for a pullback, at least right around here, or anywhere between here, anywhere around here. I'll say buy one contract here, and then if it pulls down even more, buy another contract down here. But yeah, that's it. But just know that earnings is coming. By the looks of this, it looks like it might be a pull down into earnings, and then after earnings it pops up. That's from the look of it, though. Let's go to PL. Nice setup, but earnings is within the next couple of days, as you guys can see right here. As usual, I'm telling you guys, these inside and up formation are beautiful setups. Like, look at this. Let's say it chops out, Monday comes or whatever like that. It's on the 4th or whatever like that. So in a couple of days. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So about Thursday, let's say Thursday, or like let's say Friday, basically. Or yeah, Friday. When is earnings? 4 p.m. So the market will be closed when earnings anyways. So like let's say Friday you can easily enter, or wait until Monday, because this is a daily chart, right? So the price is not going to move significantly like that anyways. So yeah, you can easily wait for it, and price is still below zero. So expect a chop for the next, like until price catches, like momentum catches up. You get what I mean? Or what momentum pushes before price. MP, nope, that's not a setup. Cancel that. KOD is not a setup for me, but I kind of do like the way the chart is, but the setup is not there yet. But I do like that. It's on my watch list. I'm keeping an eye on it, but it's you get what I mean. And then CVS, nope. It's a no for me. But anyways, that is it for my Sunday, review of my stocks I'm going to be keeping an eye on for this week. And let me know from your experience. Did you guys purchase or bought any shares for these stocks? Let me know. Let me know the profit and everything like that. And also make sure you hit the like button so you can help me out with the algorithm. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also, show some support. And I just want to give you guys like a quick update about I'm going to be posting other content as well, not just trading content, because this channel is mostly about like my day-to-day life and everything. So what my day-to-day life actually looks like is usually trading, working out and stuff like that, and self-improvement, like trying to improve myself as a man, grow as a man. And I hope you guys like come on this journey with me, show some support, leave a comment. I want to interact with you guys. Like, yeah, man, I really appreciate it. All right, take care, guys. Happy Sunday. Peace.